I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a remote key fob for a Toyota GT86. This is a 2015. It's really great to see that some thought's gone in to make it easy for people to replace the battery, because some of them are really tricky. So you've got a little switch on the side there. So you push, pull the key out. That's to get you in case of emergencies. But you'll see on the end there of the key is a little slim bit, and you see there that little slim bit locates in there. So you just put that in there, turn the key, and the key fob pops open. It's nice and easy to do, and you don't risk putting a screwdriver through your hand. If you just press these catches, little plastic catches, away from you, being very, very careful, because it's actually fastened. Well, this one it's more stuck to a piece of kind of double-sided tape to keep all the insides in place. So like so, you still need a tiny screwdriver just to release this, and you best, you see there's a bit of give there because that's where the springy contacts are, so you're best doing it this way and just levering that out like so. The battery is a CR1832, goes back in the same way. Look for the contacts, rest it against the contacts, hold it there with your thumb, push down, it goes back in. Fold that back, and then you put it back the opposite way, like so. Oops, like so. Click it back, put the key in. Full marks to Toyota for a great key design there.